When a language model learns a new capability, we often copy, replace, or retrain far more of the model than that capability may need. CHIMERA asks a narrower question. Can a compact, knowledge-bearing neural team be transferred into another digital model? In the reported proprietary experiment, a donor model learned a novel capability. A private system mapped a compact native neural squad, applied it to a recipient as a digital graft, and performed post-graft integration. This is a digital neural network experiment, not biological or clinical transplantation. The public safe story has 5 steps. The donor learns, the neural squad is mapped, the graft is applied, graft and host are integrated, and the result is tested through causal validation. A central challenge in capability transfer is catastrophic forgetting. Integrating a new capability can damage what the recipient already knows. In this experiment, old task retention remained at 100%, indicating that the new capability was integrated without measurable loss on the tested prior tasks. The reported selected graft causal fraction was 69.2%. The random graft causal fraction was 15.4%, a 53.8 percentage point causal advantage for the selected graft. Selected donor genealogy retained was 38.5%. While random graft genealogy retained was 0%. The therapy-only model relied entirely on host-native routes. The strongest evidence comes from ablation and restoration. The healed baseline confidence margin was 14.290350. When the selected graft was disabled, the margin fell to 12.970250. Restoring the exact same graft returned the margin to 14.290350. The frozen public safe result artifact records bit exact restoration as pass. By comparison, disabling matched random neurons produced a margin of 14.276843. The selected margin drop and recovery were both 1.320100, while the selected versus random margin drop advantage was 1.306593. The proprietary research core predates build week. During build week, Codex using GPT 5.6 received only the isolated public safe repository materials and built the localhost demo validator launcher, automated video recorder, documentation video script, submission text and packaging. Codex did not access, reproduce, test or verify the proprietary research core. CHIMERA reports one digital neural network experiment in which a selected graft was transferred, integrated and causally tested. This public demo presents frozen results and consistency checks. It does not independently reproduce the experiment, validate the hidden runtime, or claim that the result is universal.